Hello and welcome to my KS3 KS4 maths practice videos. This one is on algebra and the questions have been taken from this book, the CGP maths book. It's key stage maths, higher level. So the first question is simplify the following expressions. We have been given 4x minus 2y plus 3x minus y. So if I add 4x plus 3x, I get 7x. And if I do minus y plus minus 2y plus y, I should get minus y. So my answer is 7x minus y. The next one is you have to group them, okay? X square. So let's do the x squares first. We have 2x square minus 3x square plus 7x square. What does that give me? So I have 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 7 is 6. So I get 6x square. Then I have got, so let me just strike off the numbers that I've done on the expressions or the ones that I've done, and then I have got minus 2x plus 6x and then plus 3x. So I get minus 2 plus 6 is 4 and plus 3 is 7. So I will get 7x. Okay, so minus 2x plus 6x plus 3x is plus 7x, and I'm left with minus 5. So this is my simplified expression because I can't do anything any further. So it would be 6x square plus 7x minus 5, right? Expand and simplify the following expressions. So I have got 2 times 5x minus 1 within brackets and minus 7x. So I have to open the bracket. So this becomes 2 times 5x is 10x, and then 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. The sign is very important here. We have to be very careful with these signs. 2 minuses make a plus, and a plus and a minus will make a minus. Okay, so the signs are very important. So 10x minus 2 minus 7x, that equals 10x minus 7x is 3x. So it's 3x minus 2. So that's what I will write here. Then y minus 6, y plus 3. So that's equals, so each expression has to be multiplied by each other expression on the other side, in the other bracket. So you have to multiply y with y, then y with 3, then 6 with y, and then 6 with 3. Okay, that's the way to do it. So y times y is y square, and then plus 3y minus 6y minus 18. Okay, plus and a minus make a minus. So the answer is, we can write equals y square minus 3y plus 3y minus 6y is minus 3y. Okay, because you get the number that has the bigger number, the sign, the sign that the bigger number has, that comes in the answer. Okay, apologies for my because 6 is a bigger number and 6 has a minus sign, so we will write it's minus 3y and then minus 18. Okay, the several possible, number 4 is saying several possible factorizations of 36b plus 12 are shown below. So one of the expression is incorrect. Which is it? So if you just try and multiply this, so 12 times 3 is 36, so 36b plus 12, so this is right. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 6 times 2 is 12, so this is also 36b plus 12, so this is right. 2 times 18 is 36 and 2 times 6 is 12, that's also 36b plus 12, that's correct. This one is 36b plus 36, so this is wrong. So this is your answer, 36 times b plus 1. Which expression is completely factorized? Completely factorized means the expressions within the brackets cannot be broken down any further. So if you look at 12 times 3b plus 1, you cannot break down 3b plus 1 anymore. 6b plus 2 you can break down, you can bring 2 outside the bracket and you would be left with 3b plus 1. Okay, you would be left with, so that would be same as the expression, the first one. Then you have, if you bring 6 out of this bracket, you would be left with again 3b plus 1. This is not true, so again you can bring 3 outside the bracket. So this is completely factorized. 12 times 3b plus 1. Okay, the next question is saying Kelly's garden is a square with side length given by the expression 5x plus 2. Find an expression for the area. Now area is side square, so it should be of a square, okay, not all areas, sorry. Area of a square, yeah. So we should have this as 5x plus 2 whole square. Oh, we have to solve it. They have said expanding out any bracket, so we just can't leave it at that. So we have to do more. So we will do 5x plus 2 whole square. Now there is a formula, a very basic formula in algebra, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus twice ab plus b square. You will use this in millions and millions of places, so please remember this. Whenever you see an expression like this, 5x plus 2 whole square, then you have to break it down. That's how you break it down, okay? 5x, so that is 5x whole square plus twice ab, so 2 times 5x times 2, okay, plus 4. That is 25x square plus 2 times 2, 4 times 5 is 20x plus 4. So my expression is 25x square plus 20x plus 4, right? Okay, we go to the next question. So here my thing is, we have to solve this. 7k minus 3 equals 11. So if 7k minus 3 is 11, so 7k equals 11 plus 3. 3 comes to the right side, so that's 14. So k equals 2. The next one is 3t. So bring the t's to one side. The t moves here, 5 moves there. So it would be 3t minus t is 2t equals 12 minus 5 is 7. So t equals 7 by 2. And then that equals 3.5. So yeah. Jan thinks of a positive number. She doubles it, then adds 3. Then she squares the result. She tells the answer to Sadiq. This answer that she tells is the answer she gets after squaring it. So let x stand for the number that Jan thinks of. Okay, write down the expression for the answer she tells Sadiq. So she will double it, so 2x, and then add 3. Then she squares the result. So that's what is the expression that she would tell Sadiq. Now the number she tells Sadiq is 81. What number is Jan thinking of? So 2x plus 3 square is 81 equals 9 square. So 2x plus 3, that means 2x plus 3 equals 9. Okay, that is how we do things in algebra. Okay, so 2x equals 9 minus 3, 6. X is 3. So it will be 3. What number? So Jan's number was 3. Then we have the formula V equals 1/3 pi r square h. is used to calculate the volume of a cone. Okay, it's the normal ice cream cone. Yeah, rearrange the formula to make H the subject. So how will I do that? So H has to be on one side, all the other numbers and expressions, variables will go to the other side. So what we are going to do here is V. So if we do 3V divided by pi r square equals H. Rearrange the formula to make R the subject. So we have to make R the subject. R is with a square. So let us rearrange these numbers and variables to put R square on one side. So that would be 3V divided by pi H, and that is R. So it would be the square root, because R square is this, so R would be the square root of the whole thing. So that is your answer. So that completes this mini session on algebra. There's lots more questions, lot of things to be done. So thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye.